Hello guys, it's the question guy, and today we're doing two quick questions. They are just based off angle facts, and let's get right in. So as we zoom into the first question, which of these are supplementary angles? A, B, C, or D? Now, remember, supplementary specifically is two angles that add up to 180 degrees. So does this one add up to 180 degrees? Well, no. There's this line. We need for this angle. We need this line, and for this angle, we need this angle. So A is incorrect. For B, same thing. We are missing this angle right here, so B is incorrect. C, we are not on a line because this could be this angle or this angle. But instead of making them supplementary, they are equal. They are congruent. This angle is equal to this angle. Because if this angle plus this angle is 1... So, look. If this angle and this angle... Let's assume they're not equal. But let's assume this angle is equal to 180. And this angle is equal to 182. And this. Well, these two are the same. So that means these two must be the same. Correct? So that's just why they are equal, but that's not why they're 180 degrees. So D must be the answer, and you can tell that with my very bad drawing that those are on a line to 180. So D is the correct answer. So our second question: which of the following is true? Angles that are supplementary to each other are adjacent supplementary angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. Through a point outside of an existing line, there is one and only one line that is parallel to the original line. In the same plane, if there exists line A that is parallel to line B is parallel to line C, and then line A is parallel to line C. This is perpendicular, sorry. If line A is perpendicular to line B, and line B is perpendicular to line C, then line A is perpendicular to line C. So, which of the following is true? So, we'll go through all of them, like the other one. And let's see. Angles that are supplementary to each other are adjacent supplementary angles. So, I just said that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. The degrees of these angles are equal to 180. But it didn't specify that they're beside each other. They just have to be equal to 180. So, it's not always like that. So, the A is wrong. So B, alternate interior angles are equal. Well, yes, if you were to have something like this, where you have the transversal line, this angle, no, that's not interior. This angle would be equal to this angle. However, that's assuming these are parallel, which means they'll never touch each other. What if I have something like this? Okay, let me do it better. This, and this. Would this angle be to this angle? Of course not. They would not be equal at all. So this statement is false. Through a point outside of an existing line, there's only one and only one line that is parallel to that original line. Let's try. There's a line function. There's said line. Let's do this better. Said line. Said line. And we have a point. Because this is the point outside of the existing line, it cannot be the same line. So, what can we do? There is only one line. Listen, I drew it not to scale, but this is not line segment. This is line. Line could extend on forever and ever and ever and ever. There is no definite point. There is no limit to this. This and this have no limit. They could go on like that. So, this is the correct answer. The answer is C. But let's prove, for the sake of the question, why D is wrong. You know what? Just do this. Okay, in the same plane, if there exists line A parallel to line B, perpendicular to line B B is perpendicular to line C, and line A is parallel to line C. So yeah, line A, line B, line C. Okay, let's assume this. Perpendicular, perpendicular. So this is B, and this is C. Now, in normal circumstances, as they're not shown that well, but they would be parallel. This line would never touch this line. However, and in fact, let me adjust C now to make it look like they're the same. What if they were the exact same line? Look, what if A was C? What if A was C? Look, A can be C, and it will still be perpendicular to B. That is why incorrect. That is incorrect. And that's all. That's the answer. Thank you for watching another video of the question guy, and I hope you learned something today.